Bhagwan Shri Krishna Ji's soul devotees, my endless respect for you all. Today it is 8th of June 2024 and it's high time that we start our journey of enjoying the nectar of the universal wisdom enshrined in Srimad Bhagavad Gita chapter 2 verse 26. This is a unique verse which is absolutely applicable to us in our day-to-day life. What the verse is, how it is applicable to us in day-to-day life, and how best we can make use of it in our journey towards the heaven. Okay, let's start with our musical Hari Bhakti now.
भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः। अथ चैनं नित्यजातं नित्यं वा मन्यसे मृतं तथापि त्वं महाबाहो नैनं शोचितुमर्हसि।
अथ च एनं नित्य जातं नित्यं वा मन्यसे मृतं तथापि त्वं महाबाहो न एवं सोचितुम अर्हसि. Friends, it is a very most important lesson in our success in life. What it tells us is that there are certain events which no humans can influence, and one of them is birth and death. Another one is weather. So learning the lesson from the weather, we can improve our journey of life. Weather tells us that it has got a fixed time. Winter are always followed by summer and preceded by rainy season, and that also the time period is fixed. The entire calendar have been fixed, and from that what we learn is that if we are prepared for it, we will enjoy the weather. But if we are not prepared, all that we will do is to repent. Same manner, this journey of life, birth to death, is fixed, and it is all for those who are well prepared for it. If they are well prepared, then they enjoy the journey of life to the heaven. Else, all they do is to repent. Endless literature, endless wisdom is originated from this particular verb of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Now let's make the best use of it. Even in the army, they say, those who prepare for war don't bleed in war. Simply do your homework, be ready for your work, and any child, any human being which has
Where are you? I'm missing you.
any human being who has prepared himself for the forthcoming events, he never repents. The best example today is Pradhan Mantri Shrimati Narendra Modi ji. One unique factor of him is that he is always well prepared for what is to come in future. Had Rahul Gandhi been prepared so well by his family for his next journey of life as a prominent politician of India, he wouldn't have to spend unmarried life of 30 years just to learn politics. It's the best example, friends, and let's learn from it. That's why it says, Atha chanam nitya jatam nityam va manyase martam tathapi tvam mahabaho na evam sochitum arasi. There is a third dimension to it. This says, those universal events which cannot be influenced by humans have to be endured, and those endurance they have to be enjoyed by those who are well prepared for it. So Arjuna, being showing his value as a stupid person, as a foolish person, he is all the time showing his sorrow for death. Understood? Okay, let's start with our musical journey.
यदि मानते हो नित्य मरता जन्मता रहता यही तो भी महाबाहोचित ऐसी यदि मानते हो नित्य मरता जन्मता रहता यही तो भी महाबाहोचित ऐसी कभी चिंता नहीं
पूर्णाहुति विद ओम का उच्चारण.